Alright, so we're doing Tuesday's bell ringer because Tuesday we had a test, right? Just showed you your test grades. So, let's see. Montez, what would I do first on number 1? Add 11. Very good. Alright, so that leaves me with 9z minus 18z equals 9. Bless you. Alright, Cameron, what would I do from here?
You would add, you divide the 9.
Alright, what's 9 minus 18? Negative 9z. Alright, Aaliyah, what would I do from here? Perfect. Alright, so Ava, what's my answer when I divide? Perfect. Very nice. Very good.
Is it 20 so up?
Oh, did you add the 18 instead of subtract it? Alright, William, what would I do first to graph number 2?
Go down.
Down how much? 5. Very good. Let's see. TJ, what would I do from there? Down 3. Well, I can't go down 3, so what's the opposite? Up 3. And it's negative 3. What's the negative tell me to do? Down. And 4 would tell me to go. Really? Really? Right.
Because you go up,
So what's the opposite of down? Up. What's the opposite of right? Left. You gotta write it down if you don't know, okay? So I'm gonna go up 3 and left 4. Oh, don't have enough room. Those are the only 2 dots I can put. Y'all okay?
Yeah.
Alright, where am I gonna shade? Up, because it's greater, right? I'm gonna shade up. Y'all okay? Alfredo, can you read number 3 for us, please? Oh, sorry.
Last move, you see
Total
a total
expenditures,
of $3,000.
900. Uh-huh.
Of the total.
There you go. You got it. Come on.
Expenditures to the nearest 1%.
Woo. That's some big words. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. What does this big word mean? Expenditures.
Like expending more than what you have.
No. Like if you go to Walmart and you buy groceries, right? That's an expense. That's an expenditure. If you go to, I don't know, Belk and buy clothes, that's an expenditure, okay? You're spending money. All right, so, huh?
You're spending money that you shouldn't.
Not necessarily. Not necessarily. You got to eat. You got to have clothes. You got to get to work and buy gas.
Money on.
Yeah. All right, so how much does all of this add to be? How much does she spend? 900, right? Okay, so we're going to put that on the bottom of our fraction. And it wants to know what is her greatest expenditure. What's her greatest money? Which is what? Clothes. There you go. All right, so what's 254 divided by 900? Point something. 2. That's all I got.
0.2.
More than that. 8. Okay, we'll do 2. All right, so how do I make this a percent? Where do I move this decimal?
To the right.
2 places to the right. There you go. So 28%. What answer is that? B. Very nice. B. All right, it's still in the tray. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to hand out your notes for today. We're going to start something new. Yay, aren't you so glad we're off of graphing? Woo, I am. I'm so glad to be done with graphing. Okay, Dan, will you pass one to first? Will you pass one to first?
What's the answer for number 1? Simplify it.
All right, here we go. All right, you got your name on your paper? All right, here it goes. All right, you ready? We're going to learn some vocabulary. All right, a monomial. It's not that bad. Not that bad. All right, a monomial. You know from science you learn the word mono, and mono means one, right? Bi, like a bicycle, means 2. Tri, like a tricycle, means 3. Okay. All right, so a monomial is a number, variable, or what's product mean? No. Huh? Multiply, Eric. Very good. We're going to multiply. Okay, and it only has how many terms, Alfredo? What's 1 mean? There you go. Mono means 1. So look, I'll give you an example, okay? You see x cubed? We call that a monomial. You see 5k? We call that a monomial. Or W, we call that a monomial. Are y'all okay? A little bit? Okay. All right. A blank, a constant, is a monomial that's just a number, okay? Just a number, no letter. You see 5, how it has no letter, it's just a number. And 19, how it's just a number. Are y'all okay?
So 19 is a monomial?
No, 19 is a constant.
Oh.
Now, if you put a letter with it, then it's a monomial. There he is. All right, what's product mean to do? Multiply. There you go. Okay, now look, this stuff is really, really easy when you put them separate. But when we put them all together, that's when it gets a little confusing. So you have to know this rule. You ready? When you have when you multiply the bases, you add the exponents. Is that okay? All right, so look right here. Do you see these two? I'm multiplying the a's, right? I'm multiplying the a's. So what do I do to the exponents 2 and 9? Add them. So you get a to the 2 plus 9, a to the 11. Very good. That's it. Easy peasy until we put them all together. And then it's not lemon breezy then. All right, look at this one. I'm multiplying the bases. What's my base here? What's the thing on the bottom? The D, right? All right, 4, 10, and, ooh, this doesn't have a number. It's a 1. There you go. So you add the exponents. So 4 plus 10 plus 1. 11. There you go. Y'all okay? Okay, here we go. So I'm multiplying, right? You multiply 6 and 12. They're big numbers. You leave big numbers alone. What's 6 times 12? 6 times 2 is 12, right? There you go. But what do I do to these little numbers up here? You add those. How much is 7 plus 3? 10. So big numbers are normal, little numbers you add. All right, let's look here. What do I do to these big numbers? Multiply. What's 7 times 3? No, 21. You multiply. Multiply. Now you add the little numbers. 4 plus 5 plus 2. What's 4 plus 5 plus 2?
11.
9, 11. Yep. All right, what do I do to these big numbers? Multiply. What's 3 times 6? 18. Okay, what is this? What number is with the P?
1.
1. Add the little numbers. 1 plus 3.
11.
No. 1 plus 3?
11.
No, you don't. 1 plus 3 is 4. All right, look at the T's. Add the little numbers on the T's. What's 3 plus 4?
7.
7. Are y'all okay?
Is that a 4 or 18?
Uh-huh.
18.
Yeah, 4 plus 10.
No, 4.
Oh, that's 16. That's 15. Why'd y'all tell me 11? Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. I was not paying attention to that. 4.
What about 5? Is that a 4?
5?
Yes.
That's a 4.
Yeah.
1 plus 3 was 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Hey, Cameron. Where were you at this morning?
This morning,
Yeah, you're supposed to come take your test.
I had ROTC things in here. But first period tomorrow, because I have driver's ed, if that's okay with you, I can take my test today.
We don't have 0 period tomorrow, so you gotta come first period. Here you go. Just drop something. Alright guys, here we go. What's my big numbers? Cameron, will you let Coach in? -4 and -6. What's -4 times -6? Positive what? 24. Alright, here we go. He must have, because he came in about 2 minutes after you left. Alright, look at the R's. Add those two. What number is here? 1. What's 1 plus 5? 6. Alright, let's add the other ones. Let's see what else we got. We got X's. What's 2 plus 2? 4. Alright, we got one more. Hold on, let me find a different highlighter. We got T's. How'd you get it? What number's here? 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Y'all okay? Okay. Alright, here we go. Another rule. When you have one base, you see how I only have one Z right here? And I only have one G, only have one S? Then we multiply the exponents. You got to know the rules. It's really easy, but the rules is where you get confused. He just got in here. He's trying to get his stuff together. I hope you know I'm on my phone, though, Cameron. Okay. What you doing then? Okay. All right. How many G's do you see? 1. So what do I do to the 5 and the 2? All right. What's 5 times 2? 10. All right. How many Z's do you have? 1. Oh, what number is here, though? 1. So what do I do to the 1 and the 9? Multiply. All right, how many S's do you see? 1. So I multiply. 3 times 4. 12. Y'all okay? It's easy, right? No. Who said no?
William.
William. What's wrong? Are you just being silly?
Yeah.
Okay, look, William. Look, listen to me. Well, stop talking and listen to me. How many G's do you see right here?
5.
No. 1. So when you have one base, you multiply the little numbers. So I did 5 times 2 was 10. How many Z's do you see right here? 1. So I multiply the little numbers. 1 times 9 is 9. How many S's do you see? 1. So you multiply. 3 times 4 is 12.
Up top, you had two 8s, so you add.
Yep.
You have 1 multiply.
Alright, here we go. You see this big number? 2? The big 2? How many 2's do you have? Just the big number. 1. So what do I do first? Let's do this first. You ready? What's 3 times 2? 6. Don't forget that 4 on the outside, though. William, you okay with that? Alright, how many big 2's do you see? 1. So I multiply. What's 6 times 4? 24. Alright, how many big 3's do you see? 1. So you multiply. What's 2 times 4? 8. Don't forget that 2 on the outside. Alright, still one big 3. So what do I multiply?
2.
8 times 2 is 16. Are y'all okay? Alright, how many 1's do you see? 1. So what's 3 times 5? 15. Don't forget that 1. What's 15 times 1? 15. Are y'all okay? Okay, let me tell you a story. You ready? Here's your story. Medea movie's coming out, right? Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm ready to go see her. I love that movie. So, we go to the Medea movie, right? I'm gonna pick one of my friends. I take one of my friends and we go see the Medea movie, right? Friday? It's coming out Friday. So my friend, she drinks all of her drink and she's got to go get some more drink, right? Because you got to get some more popcorn. So when she's gone, one of my other friends comes and she takes her seat. Ooh, when that friend comes back, she's gonna be mad, right? She's gonna be mad. She's gonna be mad. You gotta hold her seat, right? Okay, so here we go. So anything to the 0 power is 1. So look, when your friend goes away, when your friend goes to get some popcorn, you got 0 people, right? But you better hold her seat or his seat because they're gonna be mad if you don't hold the seat. So right here, what's x to the 0? 1, and you're done. You better hold their seat. If you don't hold their seat, they're gonna be mad. All right, what's this one? What's 2 to the 0?
2.
No, 1 plus. How much is this?
4.
4, which is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. All right, look right here. How much is all of this? 1. Why is it all? But more specifically, what's around it all? Parentheses. You see how this one didn't have parentheses? So this whole thing is 1. Are y'all okay? No. What?
16 and 17.
We're not there yet. Are you okay on the ones we did? Okay. Cameron, what's wrong?
On the test, will we have to like solve what's on the inside first and then just do it?
Yes. Okay, look. 16. Here we go. What is 0? What's the only thing that has the 0? The front parentheses or the back parentheses? The back one. So only this is 1, right? So you just bring the front down. What's all that mumbo jumbo times 1?
1.
No.
Oh, the same number.
The same thing, right? All right, we got one more. Then you got homework. Yep. Why? Because they're all in the same parentheses. There you go. Are y'all okay?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is homework 3 right here. Homework 3. Homework 3. All right, you've got about 20 minutes. 20 minutes to get homework 3 done. You got 5 problems. 5 whole problems. All right, let me put the book under here so y'all can see it. What are we on, page 394? All right, can y'all see that? 7 through 11?
7 through 11.
Yep. I'll leave it there for a minute if you want.
7 through 11.
It's all crooked. Cindy, thank you, Coach. Does anybody want me to leave this up here any longer? It's still in the tray, ladies. Yeah? Okay, well, come on, let's go. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Guess this one? April, you got this? You good, Douglas? Who's just?
Hey, Sydney. In about 25 minutes. Yeah, you got plenty of time. Is he okay with y'all coming?
We just gotta finish what we were doing.
Okay.
Yo no entendí, maestra. Yo me hice